Man,
Yeah, we on.
we on once again. It's the shit, you know how it goes down. You do got Swan and one and one mahungun, and I'm rolling them. Man, Gail, what's up, dog?
Hey.
Hey, man, you know that how crazy this shit goes. Dude, I've been checking out these niggas and I'm telling them, like, make it drop out the track and I'm going to drop a track for free. You still need to put the track on public domain. What happened again on the digital stores? Yeah.
It's fun. Musica venda supporter support dara
Yeah, man, big time.
Support is like everywhere now.
Yeah.
People are getting to recognize that people are dropping music, and it doesn't matter what type of music that you're dropping, people will still support you.
Yeah.
And artists should take advantage of that, because the more people listen to your music, the more people want to know about you and your music. Yeah. That's how you wanna start making money.
But these guys, this doesn't look like they want to make money, because when you tell them about online store, digital store, so then we got people buying.
Yeah.
But the issue is not about just buying; it's about people stream music, and to stream your music that means needs to be on each and every single platform. They'll tell you about I wanna check your poster, I wanna check your publisher. But I've been saying this shit. If you wanna publish your music for free, nigga, I'm right here. We can talk. I can hook you up with all this crazy stuff that we have. Come on.
And the funny thing is I think one of the big artists has already said this. If Nema posts your music, right? As long as your music is registered, it doesn't mean Nema will make more money.
Thank you. Music. Finally, somebody saying
as long as your music is registered and it's on your name. For example, someone is playing your music somewhere.
You get paid.
Dude, the radios, they make money out of people listening, but you make money out of them playing your music. The same thing that happens with YouTube and other streaming platforms. So,
no, the thing is, when I put somebody's song on YouTube, they think I'm gonna make money out of that track. But the truth in when the track is out there on the public domain, and then like your YouTube, and then you have registered your tracks, and then you've claim ID in your Komori, each and every cent that is made out of the track goes stream on my channels.
Yes.
Money comes back to you. If you register with your Sound Exchange or Ochadi and all that, they claim the money from us, and then we pay them, or they get the money directly when the track is being streamed. Which means each and every one random that in the you get your 95 cents. I get maybe 2 cents out of the whole cent. But these guys, they don't understand. We keep on telling the same shit every time.
No. It's all about so. But to venda, I have a YouTube channel. If you go pop up, you go drop a music, you can post it on your YouTube channel. Sabatu whenever the website Nema can pull that song from your website and just post.
What? That shit got me in trouble, remember? I went in that website.
It can still be pulled from your YouTube channel.
When
someone clicks, it plays from your YouTube channel.
Come on. I think if you take it back, like the reflection of
the mirror.
Yeah, the runs of the song. Because I remember Chobidingana took down most of my content, and it was funny enough for some of those tracks, just the adverts that was the post out Bamrao, and then the post that the adverts. Now they come back and like shit. 5 years later, whatever years later, now they're taking down every shit I've posted. I'm not blogging man. Shit, nigga. They go to your domain hoster and they tell them that you're uploading their shit.
No. That's free publicity, usually.
Man, these people don't understand this shit. Like nigga shit. Come on, we got about
newspaper. I think it's a newspaper. People used to post newspaper, the column, just to get people know. Wait a minute. But and then we're good to go.